We're back on the road again, this time at a true bucket list destination, Arches National Park. Come along as we explore one of America's most iconic landscapes.
Arches National Park, a land sculpted by time, where nature's artistry takes center stage. It's a red rock wonderland that defies the ordinary and sparks the imagination.
This has always been a bucket list dream for me. I loved it so much that I wanted Mai to see it too.
Wow! I'm simply blown away, and I'm still in awe just being here.
Long ago, this Martian-like landscape was submerged under an ancient sea. As the waters receded, they left behind sand that wind and time sculpted into the magnificent formations we see today.
Oh my!
No worries, there's plenty of room.
Behold the delicate arch, standing tall as the park's iconic symbol.
But did you know this park boasts the highest concentration of natural stone arches in the world? That's over 2,000 arches, each with its own story to tell.
Wow! Just look how small we are standing here.
Yes, this park's massive scale creates a profound sense of awe. Towering arches, colossal rock fins, and countless unique formations shaped by wind, water, and time. This inspiring red rock landscape in southeastern Utah is an otherworldly geological wonder that truly makes you feel dwarfed by its beauty. Arches sure lived up to its legend and gave us another amazing time on our Grand Circle RV tour. But this is just one stop. You can watch it all on our Grand Circle RV video.
Thanks for watching. YouTube has selected these videos for you to watch next. Please give us a like and watch more of these, Oh My, Travels videos.
Thanks for watching, everybody.